What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Chainlink here, and as we can see, we're still heading up in this big macro channel. Pretty much, since forever really, aren't we? Back here in 2019, almost 3 years later, and we're still heading up inside this big channel. You can see the resistance, support, resistance, back to support. And now looking like we're getting a little bit of a pickup off that low. You can see we actually came down and touched it really perfectly here. And since then, we've got a nice little pickup off the bottom, haven't we? Which has been really cool to see. I actually haven't thrown our, let me just throw the fib retracement on here so you can see exactly what's going on. So I think this is going to have a lot of confluence. And as you can see, all these levels here being respected really nicely. Obviously in May we had that crash, that big descending wedge. We got the breakout, the back test. We come down to the low here, which we formed at around, what was this, $13, $14. And you can see here for Chainlink, we come up into the 023 here. Test is as support, we come up again, chop it up in this area here, forming a kind of, pennant formation. We run all the way up, but we get rejected in and around that 618 area. We come back down to the 050 for support. Resistance at the 618, and I mean, you can see what's been happening here. We come down to a swing low, chopping it up again, in and around the 050 here. We come up, we get stuck underneath the 078 here. We get front run a little bit, don't we? But really, it looks like we might just be getting stuck under our 618 here. We roll over to support, and then we absolutely have that big capitulation event, don't we, for Bitcoin on the 4th of December. So we come down to that swing low, which touches that macro, channel bottom trend line that we had seen. We wick all the way back up, consolidate on the 023 Fibonacci retracement there. Resistance at the 038, we retrace, and then you can see here over the past week or so, we've had a decent little pickup for Chainlink off the bottom, haven't we? You can see we were at around $20, and we've actually come up here into our Fibonacci levels, into the 038 there. We've come up and we've actually broken the 050 as well, looking like today. We are just trying to retest that as potentially support, which would obviously be great to see. But you can see here, Chainlink, it's just, it's on a journey, isn't it? And it's had a big, fairly decent retracement up here from $52 all the way down to $13 or so. And it looks as though, right now that it's just coiling up potentially for that next move, isn't it? It's come down, it's tested the low. It's obviously got horribly oversold here. This might be the most oversold it's ever been on the daily time frame, by the way. You can see on the RSI quite clearly here, this is the most oversold Chainlink has ever been on the daily time frame, at least on this chart, which is obviously pretty crazy considering the March crash for COVID was very steep as well. So we are expecting, some upside for Chainlink pretty soon. Obviously, this protocol basically runs every single other protocol in DeFi, etc., because of its Oracle technology. So the token itself, obviously, is subject to market conditions, but we do think it's got really massive fundamentals, and it will probably just consistently continue to grow as the whole crypto space grows, DeFi grows, etc. And people really start to, realize how much that the entirety of crypto really leans on Chainlink for its functionality. So we'll just keep things short and sweet then. We'll do short-term price predictions on the hourly time frame here. You can see fib levels being respected absolutely beautifully right now, looking like we're potentially retesting the 050 here for continuation. But obviously, if we move to the downside, we're probably coming back down to the 038 here at around $23 onto this swing low before getting, the next leg up. You can see here we're making higher highs and higher lows on the hourly time frame, so a retracement to here wouldn't be unlikely. And obviously, if we did head to the upside, the 618 being our next target at $32. And then beyond that, you can see on our fib levels here, if we're going to be staying within this channel, which we have done for the past 3 years, then obviously we could be coming up here for Chainlink going into the rest of this year. $150, $200 would be, a very reasonable target in our opinion at the top of the channel. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.